Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find out who has viewed your Bigo Live profile. So if you've ever been curious about who's checking out your profile, make sure to watch this video till the end. All right, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store. In the search bar, type Bigo Live and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. This is important because older versions might not show this feature. Once your app is updated, simply open the Bigo Live app. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. After that, head to the top right corner and tap on the Settings option. Inside Settings, you'll find a feature called Visitors. Just tap on it. And here you'll be able to see the list of users who have visited your profile. And that's it! That's how you can easily check who viewed your Bigo Live profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.